Strictly Come Dancing's John Whaite has been forced to pull out of the tour after being left bedbound with coronavirus. The 32-year-old Bake Off star took to Instagram to share the devastating news. 4. Strictly's John Whaite has revealed has got COVID credit, Instagram. 4. The star is currently waiting on his PCR result credit, splash. John, who took part in the 19th series of the BBC dance competition last year, won't be performing in Glasgow later tonight. Speaking from his hotel room in bed, John told his 309k followers, "Little bit of bad news, I'm afraid. A lateral flow this morning has come back positive, so I now have to sit here in this glamorous captivity until a result of a PCR comes back." Despite contracting the bug, the TV star has no symptoms, so is hopeful to be back on stage very soon. He continued, "I'm hoping they come back negative because I feel fine. I'm triple jabbed. I had coronavirus in summer, so I'm hoping it's just a false positive. That does mean of course I won't be able to perform today or tonight in Glasgow, so I am very, 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 very sorry if anyone was hoping to see me shaking my thing on the dance floor today, because I just won't be there shaking it." John and dance partner Johannes Raudebe placed second behind winners EastEnders star Rosalie Ellis and Giovanni Pernice in 2021. The pair have been performing in the show's tour since it started last month. The cast have been traveling the UK to major cities to show off their best dance moves. They are still yet to perform in Nottingham and will wrap up the tour in London. The amazing lineup includes Rose and Giovanni, Sarah Davis and Aliaj Skorjanek, Max George, and Katya Jones, Maisie Smith, and Kai Widranchgan, Tilly Ramsey and Nikita Kuzmin and Reese Stevenson and Nancy Shue. John's devastating news comes after The Sun revealed that he has been signed up by Andrew Lloyd Webber for huge new West End musical this summer. A source told us, John will take center stage in the show. It's a dream job for him. He really impressed on Strictly, and when Andrew found out John has an excellent singing voice too, he reached out. It could be an incredible new start for him. John shot to fame in 2012 when he won the third series of Channel 4's The Great British Bake Off. 4. John will have to isolate in his hotel room until his PCR result comes back. Credit, Getty. 4. John won the first series of The Great British Bake Off in 2012.